Mechanism of breathing. Breathing involves two stages, inspiration and expiration. During inspiration, air moves into the lungs due to expansion of the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity expands due to the contraction of the diaphragm at the bottom of the rib cage and the contraction of the external intercostal muscles, causing the ribs to move upwards and outwards. The expansion of the thoracic cavity also increases thoracic volume and decreases thoracic pressure, so that the net flow of air is down its pressure gradient and into the lungs. During expiration, relaxation of the diaphragm and intercostal muscles occurs, due to which the pressure of the air inside the lungs becomes greater than the pressure of the air outside the body and air rushes out.